As promised, we are back again with the part 2 of Indigo. It's the chapter number 5 from the book Flamingo for Class 12 Children. Let's begin with the first question. How much did Indigo planters offer to pay? 10%, 25%, 30% or 40%? So we know in the chapter they were offered to pay 25%. Let's go to the next question. What does Gandhiji's fight in Champaran signify? The power of money, the power of farmers, the power of effective leadership, or the power of lawyers? So the question actually is asking you, जो चंपारण में फाइट की गई थी या जो गांधी जी ने लीड किया था, पेजेंट्स की जो प्रॉब्लम थी, उससे क्या सिग्निफाई होता है? सो दैट सिग्निफाइज द पावर ऑफ इफेक्टिव लीडरशिप. यानी कि अगर आपका नेता अच्छा हो, इफेक्टिव हो, तो आपके सारे काम हो सकते हैं. सो द पावर ऑफ इफेक्टिव लीडरशिप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ इंडिगो? लियो टॉल्स्टॉय, मार्क ट्वेन, लुइस फिशर और चार्ल्स डिकेंस? So children, you will have to remember this MCQ answer, and the answer is Louis Fisher. Next question. Who briefed Gandhiji at Muzaffarpur? Were they farmers, politicians, lawyers or government officers? So children, in the chapter we know they were lawyers who briefed Gandhiji at Muzaffarpur. So जब गांधी जी मुजफ्फरपुर गए थे तो वहाँ के जो वकील हैं उन लोगों ने उनको ब्रीफिंग दी थी. सो आंसर इज लॉयर्स. वेयर वॉज चंपारण? इन उत्तर प्रदेश, अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बिहार इन ब्रिटिश इंडिया, इन लखनऊ और इन दिल्ली? सो हमने लास्ट जो हमने पार्ट 1 MCQ किया था इसी का, उसमें भी इसी से मिलता जुलता एक MCQ आया था सिमिलर टू दिस कि वेयर वॉज चंपारण situated? So was it in foothills of Himalaya in Bihar? That was the answer. So we know it is in Bihar. So the option is a district of Bihar in British India. Let's go to the next question. What did the peasants pay the British landlords? 15% of land holdings and entire indigo harvest, 20% of land holding and 15% of harvest, 10% of land holding and 15% of harvest, or 10% of land holding and 25% of harvest? So children, this is an important MCQ. You may have to remember this. And the answer is 15% of land holding and entire indigo harvest. Next question. Who was Sir Edmund in the lesson Indigo? An administrator in Indian civil services, a British politician, a British lawyer, or a British businessman? And the correct answer for this is an administrator in Indian civil services. Why was Satyagraha movement launched in Champaran? For raising funds, for getting businesses, for the upliftment of the farmers, or for Gandhiji's upliftment? तो the question is, ये question जो आपको पूछ रहा है कि चंपारण में सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट किस लिए किया गया था, किसके लिए किया गया था? सो हमें पता है कि वो फार्मर्स यानी कि पेजेंट्स के अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए किया गया था. तो आंसर इज फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ फार्मर्स. व्हाई डिड गांधी जी एग्री टू द प्लांटर्स ऑफर ऑफ 25% रिफंड टू द फार्मर्स? बिकॉज ऑफ फियर ऑफ पावर, बिकॉज मोर देन मनी, प्रेस्टीज ऑफ फार्मर्स वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ मनी, बट और बिकॉज ऑफ फियर ऑफ लॉस? सो करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस चिल्ड्रन इज, इसमें गांधी जी जो क्वेश्चन है ये पूछा जा रहा है कि गांधी जी जो प्लांटर्स थे उनके जो ऑफर दिया उन्होंने सेटलमेंट करने के लिए कि 25% हम रिफंड कर देंगे फार्मर्स को, उससे एग्री क्यों कर लिया? तो हम जानते हैं कि गांधी जी चाहते थे कि एक ऐसा दिखाया जाए कि फार्मर्स की इज्जत बची रही और वो विजयी हुए. इसलिए बिकॉज मोर देन मनी, prestige of farmers was important. That's the correct answer. Next question. Who was Rajkumar Shukla? A politician, a lawyer, a poor peasant, or a government official? This is also important MCQ children. You may have to remember. Rajkumar Shukla was a poor peasant. Next question. Where was the author born? In Philadelphia, Scotland, Yugoslavia, or none of these options? And you'll have to again remember this one as well. Answer is Philadelphia. Next question. What was the statement that Gandhiji read pleading himself guilty, that he wanted to command respect, that he was a lawbreaker, or none of the options, or he was not a lawbreaker and came to render humanitarian and national सर्विस? तो ये एमसीक्यू है कि गांधी जी ने जब अपने आप को कोर्ट में अपनी आपको बचाने के लिए कुछ बोला तो क्या बोला? तो ही सेड कि वो एक कानून तोड़ने वाले बंदे नहीं हैं और वो एक इंसानियत की सेवा के लिए और देश की सेवा के लिए आए हैं. तो ही वॉज नॉट अ लॉ ब्रेकर एंड केम टू रेंडर ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एंड नेशनल सर्विस. हाउ डिड गांधी जी हेल्प peasants of Champaran? By teaching them cleanliness, by educating them, by fighting and securing justice for them, or by hiring lawyers for them. So, how did Gandhiji help peasants? By fighting and securing justice for them. उनको इंसाफ दिलाया. When did the author serve in the British Army? 1900 to 1902, 1909 to 1910, 1912 to 1913, or 1918 to 1920. And the answer for this you'll have to remember again, children. The author served in the British Army during 1918 and 1920. Let's go to the next MCQ. Indigo is an excerpt from which book of the author? The Life of Mahatma Gandhi, Men in Politics, Life of Lenin, or none of these. Again, this is not a guesswork MCQ. आपको ये तुक्का नहीं मारना है. इसका आंसर है Life of Mahatma Gandhi. ये याद रखना पड़ेगा. Next one. Which university was the author a member of? University of Columbia, Oxford University, Harvard University, or Princeton University? Again, for this, you will have to remember the answer, and the answer is Princeton University. Next MCQ. Why is Champaran famous? Because Gandhiji visited, or for the first Satyagraha movement in 1917, or for the Indigo, or for fighting. So we know it very well that Champaran was famous for the first Satyagraha movement in 1917. Let's go to the next question. How much did Gandhiji ask the indigo planters to pay for the farmers? 50%, 40%, 20%, or 30%? So we very well know they were offered 25%. तो वो 20% तो हो नहीं सकता. 30%, 40%, 50% रह गया है और इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 50%. Let's go to the next question. Where was the annual Congress party session held? At Varanasi, at Bangalore, at Mumbai, or at Lucknow? And the answer for this is the annual Congress party was session held at Lucknow. Next question. How did Gandhiji address the actions of the people of Motihari? As liberation from the fear of the British, by calling them courageous, by chiding the lawyers, or none of them? The answer is as liberation from the fear of the British. Let's go to the next question. What was the condition of the sharecroppers? They were forced to give 15% of land for indigo plantation. They were forced to give 10% of land for indigo plantation, or they were forced to give 5% of land for indigo plantation, or they were forced to give 20% of land for indigo plantation. And the answer is they were forced to give 15% of land for indigo plantation. Let's go to the next one. Where was Sir Edmund posted? In East India, in Uttar Pradesh, in Purvanchal, or at Bihar and Orissa province in Bengal, Presidency of British India? And answer is at Bihar and Odisha province in Bengal, Presidency of British India. Let's go to the next question. So why did Mr. Shukla meet Gandhiji? To seek his help for the poor sharecroppers, to learn the art of speaking, to get ideas to be famous, or to seek his guidance for his own upliftment? And answer is to seek his help for the poor sharecroppers. Next question. What problems were faced by the Champaran indigo sharecroppers? Illiteracy, poverty, were forced to grow indigo, or unable to raise voice. So, the problems which were faced by the Champaran indigo sharecroppers were, they were forced to grow indigo. Next question. What was Gandhiji's demand from the British landlords? 50% refund as repayment, 40% refund as repayment, 30% refund as repayment, or 10% refund as repayment. And you'll have to remember this answer. The correct answer is 50% refund as repayment. Next question. Why did Gandhiji decided to go to Muzaffarpur? To have detailed information of the sharecroppers of Champaran, to know different capacities of the people, or to have information about lawyers, or to have a personal bond with the people. And the correct answer for this, children, is to have detailed information of the sharecroppers of Champaran. Let's go to the next question. So the question is, why was Motihari back with peasants? Because of people's rights, because of the oppression of the British, because their champion was in trouble, or none of these? And the correct answer, children, is because their champion was in trouble. Let's go to the next question. Why did the British want the peasants to pay compensation? Because they got orders from the British headquarters, because they were leaving India, because they freed them, or because they gave 15% of land holding and entire indigo harvest. So बच्चों, ये हमको पता है कि they gave 15% of land holding and also the entire indigo harvest. That is why they wanted peasants to pay compensation. So that is the correct answer. Next question. What is the message conveyed in the lesson Indigo? Speak aloud. Efficient lawyers. Wise and courageous leadership can resolve any problem, or none of the options. Well, we know it is the correct answer is wise and courageous leadership can resolve any problem. Let's go to the next question. Why did Rajkumar Shukla come to Lucknow at annual Congress party session? Answer is to complain against injustice of landlord system in Bihar, to be rich, to be famous, to fight and get money. So we know all these three options does not make any sense. So correct option is to complain against injustice of landlord system in Bihar. And children, we are coming to the last MCQ of this chapter. I have already covered almost 30 to 31 MCQs in the part 1, and rest I have covered in this part 2. I hope this helps you and you get good marks in your exams. So please all follow all these videos and subscribe and like and share these videos. And I wish you all the very best in your exams as well. Now, last question. Why did M.K. Gandhi fight in Champaran? To boast of his intelligence, to show power, or to secure justice for the oppressed, or to get popularity? This is very easy one, children. I believe you know it. To secure justice for the oppressed. So that's it. Thank you, children, for watching, and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.